Hello and welcome to Razzmatazz with Rashi. My today's guest is a Chennai based mom, a blogger, and an influencer. She has an MBA in marketing, a bachelor's in textile design, and she is also a certified Montessori teacher. In this debut book, she has collected all her experiences and the activities that she does as a teacher and also with her child. Some experiences are also from her friends and their children. You'll get to know more about her parenting journey and the activities on her Instagram page and Twitter. So let's welcome our today's author, Simrit Bedi.
Hello everybody and thank you Rashi for inviting me on your show. I'm very happy and excited on the release of my first ebook, Child Activities. Thank you Team Blog Chatter for publishing my book. I'm very grateful to you. So what is my book all about? As the name says, Child Activities. This book consists of 25 activities which you can do with your children at home any time of the day. I strongly believe that the formative years of all children are very important for their overall growth and development. In today's day and age, it is very difficult to keep your children screen free all the time. I have friends who always ask me what to do, how to keep their children occupied, busy, how to come up with new ideas to make them do some activities or make them not watch TV for a long time. So in this book, all the activities which I have listed, I have explained in detail how to do the activities, what resources you need to do the activities, and what are their importance. I have given some alternatives also, that if you don't have, for example, for a sensory activity, if you don't have kinetic sand, you can use rice or pulses or salt, whatever is available at home. You don't have to go out to buy a lot of things to keep your child happy and busy. If we look around, there we will find a lot of materials available to us which will make our child happy, and in the same time we will also learn a lot of new things. So I hope my book will be very helpful to all mothers who have small babies and toddlers.
You have chosen a beautiful topic to write this book. I'm sure many moms will love to read all the activities and your experiences that you have shared. So, what inspires you to write and what made you write this particular book?
Why did I write this book? My son is my inspiration and I have dedicated this book to him. From the time my son was a very small baby, I did a lot of activities with him, like basic tummy time, or showed him black and white patterns. Then I moved on to colored patterns. I gave him kitchen utensils which made different sounds. I gave him rattles which made different sounds to help in his sensory organs development. Like this basic activities I used to do with him on a daily basis. I had my friends who had small babies too, and I shared these activities with them. They did these activities with their children and I got a positive feedback. This inspired me to make my Instagram page and write about it over there. So I made a page over there called Bookworm Clubhouse, and I started documenting my parenting journey, the activities which I did with him, or the books which I read to him over there. I got a lot of followers and I got a good feedback for the posts which I posted on my page. And when I got to know about this ebook carnival, I was very excited because this has given me an opportunity to write in detail for all the mothers who are not able to spend a lot of time with their kids, or they are busy, or they are working and they don't have time to think about what activities to do with their children. So I think this is a guide for them which will really help in uh, improving their children's overall creativity, their development, and also will keep their children occupied. So I hope this book is liked by all the mothers and they did do these activities with their children.
Very well said, Simrit. And I agree, our children inspire us continuously to come up with new things. Now I'll request you to read a few lines from the book that you have written.
I'll read an excerpt from my book. I hope you all like it. I love to paint and explore different mediums of color. I have used watercolor, fabric color, poster color, and oil on canvas. Painting gives expression to my thoughts. I want my son to learn painting too. I started doing a lot of painting activities with him when he was a small baby. Finger painting is his favorite activity. Young children love messy play. This gives them an opportunity to use their hands and fingers. Feel freely to create whatever they want. There are a lot of sensory experiences going on during this time which are very important for your little one to experience. So this is just a small excerpt from a chapter called Fingerprinting and its Benefits. Like this, there are a lot of activities in which I have given my personal examples and experiences too, which will help you to easily go and create activities for your own children.
How lovely. Thank you so much, Simrit. It was wonderful to have you on my show. And now stay tuned as I come up with another author in my next episode. And keep watching Razzmatazz with Rashi.